final race. And they're up. All in front is second by Shamo Familia. Moving up now, Victory Joe now for the outside. Passing the winning post. It's now Victory Joe followed by Shamo Familia. Moving up, Arwil Bratiloba. Poreso also joining them. And going along for the first turn. It is still Victory Joe from the outside by Hafalenka. Followed by Bratiloba in second. 3 lengths back. Poresol, Shamo Familia. Don't explain. Europa is next in line. And into the back they travel. Victory Joe still leading the pack. Bratiloba. And running in third, Poresol, 5 lengths away. Don't explain. Shamo Familia, Europa. And inside the last 600, it's still Victory Joe, leading by some 2 lengths, followed by Bratiloba. Don't explain. Moving up now to take third, Poresol, Europa. Now running in fifth, Shamo Familia, Myrea. And towards the final turn, it is still Victory Joe, leading by some 4 lengths. Don't explain, running in second. And down the stretch they go. It is still Victory Joe saying, catch me if you can. And finally, it's Victory Joe. Don't explain, Europa, Symphony.
Alright, so banderan tapos.